New to MoCA networking? To start, get everything you need to get your MoCA network up and running with a ScreenBeam MoCA Starter Kit. Begin expanding. Next, purchase a single MoCA adapter to add another room or device to your current MoCA setup once your MoCA Starter Kit is ready. Faster and more reliable Wi-Fi. Create 2.5 GBPS Ethernet over Coax connection between your access point and your router by connecting one MoCA adapter to your router and one to your Wi-Fi access point or extender in another room. Better gaming and streaming. Increase speed and bandwidth of your network for pristine 4K and HD video, online gaming, working from home, and other demanding applications. Our products are carrier grade. Easy setup. All the benefits of a fast and reliable Ethernet connection without the hassle. MoCA adapters create an Ethernet connection between a router and any device with an Ethernet port. MoCA adapters use the same coaxial cables as your cable TV or fiber optic service. Better Wi-Fi coverage. With the reliability of a wired network, MoCA 2.5 technology outperforms wireless for speed, latency, reliability, and security. With new MoCA Protected Setup, MPS, technology, get additional security on your home network and connection of additional adapters. Compatibility. Compatible with any Ethernet router and virtually any device with an Ethernet port including computers, Xbox 360, PS3, streaming media devices, digital audio streamers and more. Non-compatibility. Not compatible with DirecTV, Dish or other satellite TV, ATT Internet, or ATTU vs Coax networks. What's included? ECB 6250 Starter Kit includes 2 adapters, 2 power adapters, 2 Ethernet cables, 2 coax cables, and a quick start guide. Top reviews from the United States. Saved my pre-wired coaxial setup and network integrity, speed going to Verizon Fios. My current setup is this and it works perfect for me. Pre-existing ONT in the walk-in. G1100 connected to the ONT next to each other via Ethernet WAN. A coaxial cable is plugged into the G1100 router, which switches the coaxial to LAN. This coaxial cable from the G1100 is then connected to my pre-existing coaxial cable that was outside and then brought the signals into my house. From there, I plugged in this ActionTech MoCA adapter via coaxial. The Ethernet from the MoCA adapter is then plugged into my Orbi router. I rearranged my Orbi router satellites back to how they were originally. I switched the Orbi to AP mode as my QNAP NAS had trouble recognizing the dual router setup when I had the Orbi set as router mode with the G1100. Now my network is back to peak performance. Advertised speeds and stable internet. I am glad I found this adapter, as if this did not work, I would have had to drill a hole through the floor and run Ethernet to where I keep all the networking equipment. This adapter saved me from all that hassle.